TV for 2019. On the 25th of March, we did an observational science experiment on raw fish. Our learning intentions for the science were to observe a raw fish by tasting, smelling, and feeling and looking at it. Make a hypothesis on what will happen before a variable is added. Make an observation after the variable was added. Decide whether this change was a chemical or physical change.
Our success criteria was to 1. Use descriptive language to describe what we tasted, smelt, felt, and saw. Number 2. Make a prediction on what might happen when the variable was added, and then make a follow-up observation. Provide enough evidence for why it is a chemical or a physical change. Here is the process of our experiment. Step 1. First, we tasted, felt, smelt, and looked at the raw fish. The raw fish tasted salty, slimy, delicious, fresh, and a little bit like prawn. It smelt like the sea, salty, and fresh. It looked like jelly, translucent and white. And it felt like jelly, weird, rubbery, and sticky.
Step 2. The variable we added was lemon juice, and we left it on the fish for 20 minutes. Whilst we waited for the variable time frame to finish, we watched a video about chemical and physical changes. We found out that there are several differences between a chemical and physical in matter of substances. A physical change in a substance does not change what the substance is, it just is seen in a different form. In a chemical change, there is a chemical reaction and a new substance is formed and energy is either given off or absorbed. Here are a few examples of chemical changes: burning wood, cooking an egg, heating sugar to form caramel, and rusting of iron. Here are some examples of physical changes: crushing a can, melting an ice cube, breaking glass, and chopping wood.
We decided it was a chemical change because the color changed to a slight yellow and the taste changed, and so did the smell. Step 3. After the variable had been in the fish for 20 minutes, the raw fish still tasted fresh, delicious, like prawn, salty, smooth, and chewy. The fish looked no longer translucent, but weird silver white and even slightly yellow. The fish felt like jelly and smelt weird, sour, and lemony.
Once the observation was finished, we made kokonda, which is coconut raw fish, and it tasted weird, like fish, yum, and even more yum. This experiment was awesome. We had a great day. To make kokonda or coconut raw fish, you will need 100 grams of fresh snapper fillet skinned, juice of 1 lemon, half small red onion finely diced, half red chili optional, 1 finely diced tomato, quarter green capsicum, 1 smaller spring onion finely diced, a few stems of coriander leaves, quarter cup of coconut milk, 1 pinch of tablespoon sea salt.
To make kokonda, cut the fish into 1 centimeter cubes, discarding any bloody tissue. In a bowl, mix the fish and citrus juices and chill to marinate for 20 minutes or until the fish is open. Drain the fish and add the onion, chili, tomato, spring onion, coriander milk, and salt. Mix well, chill well, and a nice way to present it is to serve it in coconut shell with lime slices.
Ka pai a koe te kai moana.